Hi, welcome to SGT University. I am Chef Gagan from Faculty of Hotel and Tourism Management. Today we are going to do demonstration on ढोकला. अभी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं फेमस स्नैक्स ढोकला. ढोकला बनाने के लिए वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड बेसन, टर्मरिक, सॉल्ट, some asafoetida for tempering, rye, some lemon juice and some chilies, fresh chilies and ginger and chili paste. तो सबसे पहले हम बॉल में लेंगे बेसन. वी हैव टू मेक ए थिक बैटर. ये बैटर बनाने के लिए लगभग आपको चाहिए 150 ग्राम ऑफ ग्राम फ्लावर. We have to make a thick batter and we have to take care that there will be no lumps in it. So अब हम इसमें सीजनिंग ऐड करेंगे. सीजनिंग के लिए थोड़ा नमक, हल्दी कलर के लिए and it is give flavor also. तो जब तक इसमें लंप आपको दिखाई दे यू हैव टू बीट इट एंड मेक इट अ थिक बैटर. जब आपका थिक बैटर तैयार हो जाए तो एरेशन के लिए हम इसमें सोडा भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और इन मैनी रेसिपीज़ वी आर यूजिंग फ्रूट सॉल्ट ऑल्सो एंड इन सम रेसिपीज़ वी यूज़ इनो ऑल्सो. सो योर थिक बैटर इज़ रेडी. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड सम chili and ginger paste for taste. So your batter is ready. Now we have to ready with our steaming pan. So I have boiling water with me. That steam is coming out from it. और ये हमारा पैन है जिसमें हम ढोकला को स्टीम करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू बी ग्रीस इट वंस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑयल. सो मेक इट वेट ड्राई एंड देन वी हैव टू पुट सम ऑयल इन इट. नॉट मच दैट एजेस आर कवर्ड विद दिस. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट व्हेन यू ऐड फ्रूट सॉल्ट और सोडा इन इट. It is about 3/4 of the spoon, near about 6 gram, and mix it very slowly. Now no need to mix it very fast because it will disturb the aeration which will happen in this batter. So you have seen that bubbles will start to come in it and now you have to put this batter into this dish for steaming. Now we have to put it for steaming. So during steaming we have to take care that it would not happen on very high or not very low on flame. So we have to put it for steaming at least for 30 minutes on moderate heat, not very fast or not very low. So we have to wait for 40 minutes. So by the time our ढोकला will getting ready, we have to make tempering of ढोकला, in which we have to add a tempering of curry leaves, rye, some asafoetida, sugar and lemon juice. So we have to take some oil in the pan. We heat it up. Then we have to add some rye in it first. So it will start to crack. So this tempering will give a sweet flavor and sourness to ढोकला. Even a distinctive taste of this rye will give a sharpness of mustard too. It start to crackle. By the time I have to cut some lime wedges. add some curry leaves in it. So people love to eat green chilies pickle with dhokla. So little bit of saffordida. Now I have to add some water in it. So we have to wait little bit. By the time it will get boil, and we have to add little sugar in it. You have to use any kind of sugar. I have powdered sugar with me. So don't make it too sweet. And we have to put lime juice at the end when we stop the fire, because your lime juice will become bitter now. If we put on the fire and we cook the lime, your lime will become bitter. So we will put lime at the last. Liquid is start to boil. Now we have to stop the flame and we have to add some lime juice in it. So this is a sweet and sour, spicy, and you have to say it gives you all flavors to your tongue. So our dhokla is about to ready. We have to check with the help of a toothpick. So we insert a toothpick in it and we have to check if it stick, this batter will stick on the toothpick. So it will not done. Now you have seen there is no batter stick on the toothpick, so it is done. Now we have to take it out, our dhokla, and we have to cool it down on room temperature. Then we have to immerse it with the liquor we have made with the help of sugar and lemon. So now our dhokla is on room temperature, and now we have to season it with this sweet and sour liquid. So we put sugar in it, lime juice. So this water will absorb in it slowly. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all the water. After that we have to cut it into desirable shapes. So now the liquor is absorbed by the dhokla, then we have to slice it and place it in the plate. You can cut any desirable shape. I am going to cut in a pastry style. Now it is ready to serve to your guest. So today we have covered demonstration on dhokla. In our next demonstration, we will cover vegetable Manchurian. Keep learning, keep growing. See you again next time. Thank you.